Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a QR code right in Google Chrome. By the end of this video, you'll know how to generate a QR code for any web page in just a few clicks. Perfect for sharing links with friends, putting them on printed materials, or even for quick mobile access to your favorite sites. This feature is really handy, whether you're working on a project, helping someone navigate to a resource, or just want to make sharing a bit more seamless. Let's get started. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. You'll want to make sure you're on the specific web page that you want to share with others as a QR code. This could be anything from a cool article to your own website, or even a product page you want someone to check out. If you haven't updated Chrome in a while, now's a good time to run an update just to be sure you have all the latest features, since this QR code option is available in recent versions of the browser. Once you have the desired web page loaded up in Chrome, move your mouse to any clear area of the page, away from images, links, or text. Then simply right-click. That's your context menu, and it has a bunch of useful hidden features. If you're using a trackpad or want to do this on a Chromebook, you can usually tap 2 fingers on the trackpad to open the same menu. Now, in that right-click menu, look for the option that says Create QR Code for this page. If you don't see it straight away, don't worry. It might be a few lines down, so just scroll through the menu. Sometimes folks hesitate here, maybe because they haven't used this feature before, but I promise it's both safe and super straightforward. You're not sending any private information, just telling Chrome to create a code based on the web page's URL. After you select Create QR Code for this page, you'll notice a pop-up appears with a little pixelated square. That's your new QR code. You might even see a tiny dinosaur in the middle. That's Chrome's playful touch. Take a moment here. If you've never used QR codes before, think of them as a kind of barcode. Anyone with a smartphone can scan that code and be instantly taken right to this web page. No typing required. It's a great solution when you want to save time or avoid errors with long web addresses. You'll see 2 options, copy or download. If you click copy, it'll save the QR code image to your clipboard, just like you'd copy a photo or piece of text. That means you can paste it directly into an email, document, or chat message. Super convenient for digital sharing. On the other hand, download will save the QR code as an image file, usually a PNG, right onto your computer. This is especially helpful if you want to print the QR code out or add it to a flyer, poster, or any other project. Definitely think about which method fits your needs. And if you click download and can't find your file right away, don't worry. It should be in your default downloads folder. And that's it. You've successfully created a QR code for your page. Honestly, it's as simple as it sounds, and it opens up a bunch of new ways to share information quickly and efficiently. If there's one takeaway, it's that you shouldn't be afraid to explore these little features in your browser. They can save you a ton of time and make your workflow much smoother. Thanks for sticking with me through this quick tutorial. If you found it helpful, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Got questions about QR codes, Chrome, or anything else I covered today? Drop a comment below. I always check for your questions and I'm happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. See you in the next video.